way of paths. First, if we start saying anything, so first say salutations or greetings. So salutations and greetings, we will say that good morning, good evening, good afternoon, sir, and good night, sir. These are the salutations or greetings in English. And if we are salutings or giving anyone as a bonus, say we say that, sir, God bless. So in this statement, what is the something most important? The most important things is that your day will always spend a right way, and always in a systematic way, so by the calculation manner, okay. So now without any without any problem, means that sustainable developments will happens all the time. So, in these steps, we have to follow the rules of the mathematics. So here mathematics class 10th, we will study here so mathematics, and generally we are continuously studying here pair of linear equations in two variables, graphical methods of the solutions of pair of linear equations, and consistency and graphical representations. And also we have studied more about the linear equations in compare ratio. So compare ratio, graphical representation, algebraic expression interpretations, and also consistency. So we have to consider here, and now we'll take the example, some other examples, so that we can understood it's a more and clear base. Okay, so here we will take the example. Find out which pair of linear equations. Examples, we will take here example. Find out which pair of linear equations, are consistent or inconsistent, or or inconsistent. Okay, solution, sorry, equations. So equations is, first equations is given here for 4x minus 5y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is first equation, and the second equation is given here, uh, 10x minus 10x years minus 6x minus 20 is equal to 0. Two equations is given. Okay, 6x plus 20, that minus, it's a plus 20. So we have to prove that it's a consistency or inconsistency. Okay, so first let's say starts, what we will do, the here solution, right here, the pair of linear equations is given here in the questions, right. Let's have pair of linear equations are are first is 4x minus 5y minus 12 is equal to 0, and the second is here 10x minus 6y plus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, now what will find the second steps? In second steps we will comparing with the standard form of, now comparing with standard form of pair of linear equations. Okay, so we will take here a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. Okay, so a1 is here 4 and a2 is 10, B1 is minus 5, B2 is minus 6, C1 is minus 12, C2 is 20. Okay, this. Now write the comparings. A1 by A2 is equal to 4 by 10, 5s. B1 by B2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 6. Okay, and C2 by C1 by C2 is equal to 3 by 5s. Okay, so minus 5. So here's, if we see both equations, we will find here the equations is which types of equations? A1 and A2 is equal to B1 and B2. Okay, C1, so C1 is 3 by 5s, and 1 by 2 3 by 5s. We got here first 2 2s are 4, here is 1 by 2, so find here 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So if we compare both equations, we will find that 1 by, so 2 3 ja. So comparing is 2 1 B1 B2 2 by 6 and C1 C2. If we find here total variations C1 C2 given pair of linear equations is in a right manners. If we see these equations, we are not found, so A1 by A2 both equations is given here. So it suppose that consistency means that first equations and the second equations we have find here, so always be 5s, 2 by 5s and 6 by 12 plus 6 plus suppose that we have changing, so we are going to change to 4 8 by 20. This is 20 plus 20, then it becomes 20. Got it? So 8 by 20. So here's A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So it's so always it's so which types of conditions? It's showing that this is equations inconsistent. Inconsistence. Suppose that in same equations we will take the another pair of linear equations. First linear equations we will take here. First linear equations x plus 2y is equal to 4. X plus 2y is equal to 4. And the second linear equations we will take here 3x plus 6y is equal to 12. Plus 6y is equal to 12. Okay, so solution here, find x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0, and again this equation can change 3x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. So A1, calculate here, A1 by A2 is equal to 1 by 3, B1 by B2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to here 2 by 6 by 6 is equal to 1 by 3, and C1 by C2 is equal to C1 by C2 is equal to 4 by 12, 1 by 3. So means that all the equations means here A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 but upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. So conditions here inconsistent, here is consistent means dependent. Which types of consistence and dependent? So this equations is consistence and dependence, means that consistence and dependent equations we have find out. Suppose that we will take the another example, another types of the questions here. to solve in these equations so that we can understood well if the lines given by 2x plus ky is equal to 1. Example, if the line given by if the line given by 2x plus ky 2x plus ky is equal to 2, okay, and 3 and 3x minus 5y is equal to 1. 3x minus 5y is equal to 7. As question is here to asking there's unique solution, then find the value of k, value of k, okay. So what will you do? First let's start here. Equations can be written in form of standard forms and then comparing. First solution is here, okay. So first we will write we will write the equation and in standard form 1. So here is question 2x plus ky minus 1 is equal to 0 first, and the second is here, so 3x minus 5y is minus 7 is equal to 0. So here we will try to find out what's the a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 3, b1 by b2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to k by minus 5, okay, and c1 by c2 is equal to minus 1 by minus 7, okay. These equations we have find here, and after we will compare here. So comparing, so we will see here that c1 by c2. So compare these equations because we know that a1 by a2, b1 by b2. So a1 by a2 is equal to, we will write here a1 by a2. So constant terms is here. So b1 by b2 is equal to, is given here k by minus 5 is equal to minus 1 by minus 7, okay. So by cross multiplications we will draw 7k is equal to 5 1 5 plus 5. So k is equal to 5 by 7. But it's by this systems we will got here the value of k, okay, which is 2 by 3 is a by a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by 3. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. So in case of a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, we will write here this equation 2 by 3 is equal to k by minus 5. So it becomes 5 to the 10. 3k is equal to minus 10. So k is equal to minus 10 by 3. These equations, so k value we here we will find here a minus 10 by 3. So the given have the unique solutions for for all the value of k. So except minus 10 by so given equations because it is a unique solution. means that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Okay, so it is unique solutions. Okay, so unique solutions we have to take the here 10 by 3. So according to the unique solutions, we will write here these equations, these questions, that we can say that given lines unique solutions for all real value of k except given unique solutions for all real value of k. So except minus 10 by 3. This will be answer. Okay, so answer we have calculated here by this way. Now take the another example. Take example third. This is second, this is first, and third example is question is asking here that find the value of k for which system of equations for which the system of equations kx minus 5y is equal to 2 and also 6x plus 2y is equal to 7. Two equations is given here. So on the basis of these two equations we have to find out has no solutions. So conditions we know that's when and which way it would be no solutions. So first of all we will try to find comparing the standard form of the parabolic equations. Comparing the standard form of linear equations. Okay, let's compare here. Okay, so we will compare here standard form of linear equations with standard form of linear equations. Got it? So come on, let's go to compare this standard form of linear equations. We will write here right value of these equations here by drawings. So let's find out the value k. So a1, a2, a1 is here according to solutions right here, solutions of these equations. So a1 is equal to k, a2 is equal to 6, b1 is equal to minus 5, c1 b2 is equal to 2, c1 is equal to c2 is equal to c1 is equal to minus 2 and c2 is equal to minus 7. Got it? Now guys, the unique solutions means that it's a question is telling here that has no solution. So no solutions formula we know that a1 by a2 is equal to k by 6, b1 by b2 is equal to minus 5 by 2, c1 by c2 is equal to minus 2 by minus 7. Okay, so a1 here is k by 6 is equal to minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 2 by 7, like this. So we have to find out the value first, then after we will compare it, that's what will be this. Okay, so let's have a find out the equations. K by 6 minus 5 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 7. not equal to 2 by 7. Minus 5 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 7 is equal to, so k by 6 is equal to, we will calculate here, k by 6 is equal to minus 5 by 2. So 2k is equal to minus 30. So k is equal to minus 60, sorry, 30 by 2. We will calculate here, so minus 15. Got it? So minus 15 we have got here. So we can say that it's a solutions. We will care k value is. So if we compare this, we will find here minus 15 by 6 is equal to minus 5 by 2. 3 ja, sorry, 3 5 ja, and 2 ja. So minus 5 by 2 is always be minus 5 by 2 equal. So in this equations has been already proved that k value showing here that it's a standard form we have written here, and comparing we will find out it's already the questions have a value k is minus 15. Okay, so thank you very much for coming on the channel. Once again, so I'm telling you that don't forget to share, subscribe my channel so that you cannot miss the video, upcoming video. Okay, well, thank you.